Aaron from Ultimate Floor Care. In this video we're going to be talking about the Pallmann Magic Oil range. So these finishes here are impregnating finishes, which will go into the timber, enhances the colour and also protects it from the inside. So Magic Oil over the years have made different types of finishes to offer your clients different types of looks to their floor. So here I'm just going to run through the different types. Some of them benefit you for the way you use it, and others will benefit the end user. So we'll start off from the beginning, which is the Pallmann Magic Oil Original. So the 2K system, like we were saying before, it's a impregnating finish. This has to have a 2 coats. You will trowel this on, and it is the beginning of solvent-free 2-component oil. If we look at some of the competitors, they can't stand the length of time that this will protect the floor, as well as how quick you can work with it and how quick it actually cures. For more information, check out the website. We've got all the technical spec sheets on there. Give you all the information you need for that. So next from Original, we're going to go on to Ergo. So this is basically the Magic Oil Original, but made a lot better for yourself. So what the difference is between the Original and the Ergo, well, I'll tell you. So one of them is applying, so you can actually apply it standing up with a Magic Oil applicator. This also is a deeper enhancement of the colour of the timber rather than the Original. You can actually mix in the colour concentrate with this product, so you can use this as a stain. You don't have to put a top coat down. So this is just your next generation of your Magic Oil Original. Great product, this one. This is the best seller here at Ultimate Floor Care. I've used it myself on many jobs, hands down, best product out of the whole range, I would personally say. You may have different opinions, and the rest of them are just going to be special in their own little way. So next we'll go on to the Magic Oil Spa. So Magic Oil Spa, this product here was specifically made to be used in stuff like wet rooms, so it's more moisture repellent and more harder wear into nasty chemicals. So if you were to, for instance, using it in a gymnasium area or a kitchen where you're going to have a lot more moisture, or a bathroom, than you would in other parts of the room, this is what I would use, this stuff here. So it's a bit thicker when you're applying it. If you're used to applying the Ergo or the Original, it's a little bit thicker, so you just need to work with it. You need to buff it a bit more and it will come out beautifully. So it's Magic Oil Spa for those areas that have high moisture. Next we have your Magic Oil 2K Pure. So this is very new to the industry. So what this does is it's a impregnating finish that's going to protect your timber from the inside out, while also having pigment in there to offer that pure look. So where you'd use Pallix 330 Pure and then Pallix Pure on top, you can do that with the Magic Oil Pure. The difference for this product with the rest of them is the care system slightly different. So where you'd use a Magic Oil Care with the rest of them, you actually have to use Magic Oil Care White with this product. To get the best protection and the best results out of this, you need to use the Magic Oil Care White the following day, just give it that extra emulsion protection on the top. And then last but not least, we have the Magic Oil Change. So this product here, Magic Oil Change, it comes in a 1K and a 2K system. So obviously your 2K for your more commercial places that's going to have higher foot traffic, and then your 1K system for areas that don't need it. So this is where we're going to be going in the industry: sustainability, looking after the environment. This product here is made from regional raw materials in Pallmann's headquarters in Germany. So it's a hemp-based product, rather than the rest of them are, of course, from raw materials, but they're a vegetable-based product, where this is going to be a hemp-based product. Brilliant product to use in an area where someone is a bit concerned about the environment, working with the environment. So this stuff here is a brilliant product to use. So there we go, I've just ran through with you the Magic Oil system that Pallmann offer. We keep a large stock of everything on here. Any technical questions, or if you want to know what's right for your customer's floor, just give us a call. We're always happy to help.